Our school is Euroace. It's located in Valencia, in the east coast of Spain, in the Mediterranean coast. And we are a school specializing in Spanish courses and customized programs. So we run Spanish courses and specific Spanish courses for students of different ages, and also customized programs from culture programs to sports programs, internships or working experiences, volunteering, and in general customized programs about many different topics.
Why is the Italian market important for your school? Why would you like to have Italian students at your school?
We really think that the Italian students, due to the language is similar to Spanish language and our culture is also similar, we think that they are students that can integrate very well in the Spanish culture and in the Spanish environment. And also we really believe that the programs they have in the country, in Italy, really follow the philosophy we have, because the schools and the Ministry of Education, they seem to be very worried about offering the students the opportunity of having internationalization during the high school or during the school period. And it follows very well the philosophy we have in Euroace, integrating the students in our international world.
How do you find it here? How do you feel at the event?
We feel it's really good because it's very specialized. It helps us to understand better how these specific programs work. If you don't know Italian organizations or some organizations who explain you about this program, so it's very difficult to know from our countries about these specific programs. And also at the same time, it's really good to know agencies working directly with the schools in Italy. Agencies very specialized in this kind of programs, because in this way we can offer the specific program for the students from Italy, following the requirements for this scholarship.